welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Intellect Global Hackathon is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is software engineer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, it is 5 lakhs per annum, and there is a service agreement for 2 years. And the job location or the work location, there are multiple job locations, that is Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, as well as Gurgaon. So these are the different job locations. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BE or BTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and that too for the computer science or IT or any other technical circuit branches who are who has knowledge of coding or able to code, so they are eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be 70% or above in 10th 12th as well as in graduation. And the batch or the year of pass out, it is 2021 2022, or any other year of passouts are also eligible to apply. So the next thing is the salary structure. So the first step is once you are hired, you will be hired as an intern for 6 months from Jan to June 2022. This is for both BTech as well as MCA graduates. And the stipend during the internship, it will be 2.16 lakhs per annum. So on successful completion of the internship or the training, so it will be converted to a full time, and during that your salary will be 5 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the skills that are needed for the job role. So you'll be involved in designing, implementing, as well as maintaining the Java applications. So basically they are hiring for the programmers who are good at Java, and you should independently conduct the software analysis, programming, testing, as well as debugging of applications, and also the agile coders, like you need to have knowledge of agile. So agile coders with an ability to identify the design patterns, and you need to independently code it. So this is the overall skills that are needed for the job role. So the programming knowledge preferred is it's a Java. So then the next thing is the important deadline. So there are the first step is registration. So the deadline for the registration, it is 19 December 2021. That is tomorrow itself. So once you register, so you'll get a link for the online quiz or the online test. So it will be conducted on the 20 December 2021. And once you complete the quiz, so there will be hackathon, or you can say a coding challenge, so which will be conducted on 23rd December 2021. So all the shortlisted candidates, they will get the link for the coding. So after completion of the coding, there will be further interviews. So the next thing is the selection process. As said, the first round will be the online quiz or the online test. So there will be 25 different MCQ questions, and the duration of the test, it is only for 30 minutes. And as they are hiring for the programmers who are good at Java, so all the questions or the MCQs, it will be based on Java programming itself. And the shortlisted candidates, they will get the mail for the next round, that is coding round, or you can say it as a hackathon, in which there will be a coding challenge, in which there will be two different coding questions, you need to code it, and the duration of the test, it is for 2 hours. And the next round is the interview. So the shortlisted candidates in the coding round, they will be called for the HR interview. So all the rounds will be conducted online itself. So there will be one-to-one discussion, that is HR interview. So after that you will be getting a mail for the joining. So then coming to the application link, it is through day to complete. So you can the registrations are live. You can quickly go and register yourself. And once you register, so you'll get the link for the test. That is first round is the online quiz, and you will also get the link for the further rounds. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.